This video is going to teach you how to embroider a woven rose. Now you can see I've already embroidered a daisy, but I've changed my mind. I'm going to show you how I can turn this into a rose. I'm cutting the stitches carefully so I can pull the wool out and start again. A woven rose is made up of 5 straight stitches or spokes. So the daisy is a good shape to use as it has 5 petals. Rethread your needle and bring it up in the centre, leaving a tail. Make a straight stitch to the edge of your daisy petal and go back down through the jumper. You're going to repeat this 4 times, coming up from the centre each time, and going back down at the outside of the petal. I've sped up the video so you can see what I'm doing. Make sure that you don't catch the tail underneath. Now for the fun part. Bring your wool up close to the centre and you're going to weave the wool around, going over and under each straight stitch. Using the eye of the needle in a clockwise direction, go over and under the first 2 stitches. Go over and under the next 2 stitches, and over and under the next 2 stitches. Make sure you're adjusting the tension each time so it's not too tight or too loose. As you continue weaving over and under, you will begin to see the rose taking shape. Continue to do this until the circle is filled and the rose looks full. Once you're happy you've created the desired size, push your needle back through and secure underneath. I try to do this close to a spoke. Turn your jumper inside out. Weave your ends under so that the 2 tails are close together. Trim as necessary and secure using 3 knots. Weave in your ends for a neat look. Take your embroidery scissors and trim. Congratulations, you've just embroidered your first woven rose.